Hello, Ibrahim here from Elegant Radiators. Today I'm going to show you how to reduce your wall to pipe center on your towel rail radiator. The common wall brackets for towel rail rails, they are telescopic. You can extend wall to pipe center slightly. However, you cannot reduce more than the minimum unless you do a cutaway. We need 43mm wall to pipe center for our project. This bracket comes 70mm when it's fully collapsed. So we need to cut away a bit more from the wall side as well as the radiator side. Let's see how we do that. We can cut the wall brackets with a hacksaw or an angle grinder. It is made by ABS plastic, very strong, very durable. For our project, we need wall to pipe center 43mm and our wall bracket 70mm when it's fully collapsed. So we need to take away 27mm from the front. And we need to trim some of the radiator part. And we will lose the Grubb screw hole. Eventually, we need to make another guide hole a bit further below. After it's been cut, just to make sure all the edges have been shaved and there's nothing sharp left on the bracket. As you can see, we have cut our radiator part of the bracket as well as the wall part, and we made a Grubb screw hole on the side. Now it is a lot less pipe center, and if you hold it, offer it to the wall, you can see that it is all reduced. If you have any questions regarding this video, please comment below and don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Hope to see you in the next video.